Having trouble with the BlueSky app not working? Don't worry, I've got you covered. Let's go through some quick steps to get it up and running again. Hello everyone, welcome to Tech My Life. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to fix BlueSky app not working issue. So without any further ado, let's get started. First things first, make sure your device is connected to the internet. A weak or unstable connection can cause the app to not load properly. Next, head to the Play Store and check if there's an update available for BlueSky. Sometimes bugs get fixed in newer versions, so updating can solve the problem. The next thing you can do is close the BlueSky app completely and reopen it. A fresh start can often fix minor glitches and help the app work smoothly again. And if the app is still not working, then go to the settings of your phone. Here tap on Apps option. Now find BlueSky. Tap on the Storage and Cache option. Then clear the cache data. This will remove any temporary files that could be causing issues. But sometimes all it takes is a restart. Turn your device off and back on again to resolve any system-related issues that might be affecting the app. If none of the above works, try uninstalling and reinstalling the BlueSky app. This can often fix any deeper issues with the app's installation. Finally, if the app still isn't working, check if there's a server outage or maintenance on BlueSky's official social media or support page. It might be a bigger issue they're working on. And there you have it. Hopefully one of these steps helped you get the BlueSky app back up and running. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to Tech My Life for more videos like this. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you're the first one to know when a new video drops.